everyone, this is Yatisha. Today I am going to explain about Python. First we need to know what we are going to learn. Here is the content about Python. What is Python, why Python, history of Python, features of Python, how Python is used and who uses Python. So let's come to what is Python. Python is currently one of the most popular programming languages in the world with more than 8 million active developers. In technical terms, Python is an interpreted high-level, object-oriented, general-purpose programming language. We need to know why it is called. So, interpreted is from translator, where translator is a programming language that converts high-level language to machine learning program. There are two types of translator. One is compiler and another is interpreter. Compiler runs the code all at once and interpreter runs the code line by line. So, where Python is an interpreter and high-level programming language. One of the most popular approach to solve programming problem is by creating objects. So here the Python is object oriented. So it is organized around objects and these objects help breaking down complex real life problems into that they can be coded and solved to obtain solutions. Python is a popular general-purpose programming language that can be used for a wide variety of applications like in machine learning, artificial intelligence, etc. Here, why Python is so famous nowadays? Python is the best language to learn because it is simple and easy to learn the language even for the starter. It supports the use of modules and packages, which means the program will design in module style and code can be decreased according to the project. Once you develop a package and module, this can be used for other projects also. Python is powerful for large-scale development. Coming to history of Python. The idea of Python first started in late 1980s and it is implemented in the year 1991. It took 2 years to release the Python language and it was created by Guido van Rossum. Before that, he worked in a project at CWI called Amoeba, a distributed operating system. He worked as an implementer on a team building a language ABC. Well, he somehow got frustrated on working with ABC language and he decided to design the Python language. He got the name Python from a TV series, Monty Python's Flying Circus, because he is a big fan of this TV series. There are multiple versions of Python. Python version 1.0 was released in January 1994. They say Python 1.0 is the first release, but no. In 1991, the version that was released is Python 0.9 and later Python 1.0 is released. And it has some new features included in this release were functional programming tools, lambda, map, filter and reduced. And later he released Python version 2.0 in the year 2000. This release includes the list comprehensions, a full garbage collector, and it also supports Unicode. After 8 years of Python version 2.x, he released Python 3.0, also known as Python 3000 and Py3k. Python 3 is not backward compatible with Python 2.x. In Python version 3, they removed duplicated programming constructors and modules, and it has several versions of Python 3, and the latest is Python 3.8.1. Here comes features of Python. Python is simple and easy to learn because of its clear syntax and readability. Python syntax are shorter than most other programming languages like Java, C, C++, etc. Yes, Python is free. You can download it from official website and all you can start from there. It is open source. Its source code has also been made public. One can easily download it and can use it. Python is portable. It can run on any operating systems like Windows, Mac, Linux. We can use the Python code written on one system to another system without any change. The Python standard library is a collection of script modules accessible to Python program that to simplify the programming process and removing the need to rewrite commonly used commands. Python being a scripting language and also supports many features and libraries that allow graphical development of applications that can be created to ported to many system calls, libraries and Windows systems. Python also needs a framework to be used to create such GUI. Examples of some frameworks are Django, tkinter, etc. Python is dynamically typed. This is one of the great features of Python that one need not declare the data type of a variable before using it. Python is extensible. This feature makes use of other languages in Python code possible. This means Python code can be extended to any other languages. Now, let's talk about how Python is used. Python is also used in web development. There are a number of Python frameworks for the web platform, for web apps, database management, and other server-side applications. For example, Django, Flask, Pyramid. Data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to discover valuable information. And there are some libraries for data analysis such as Pandas, NumPy, etc. And Python is also used in machine learning for building and training machine learning algorithms. And Python is often used as support language for software developers like for testing, build, port, etc. Python can also connect to database system where it can read and modify files. So finally let's talk about who uses Python. Python is used by many top tier companies and websites. Most popular industries using Python include computer software, information technologies, and internet usage. Large standard libraries of Python providing already scripted programming tasks are the main reason for that. That's why most Python companies embrace popular web application, music, video streaming services, etc. These are the some companies uses Python like Facebook, Google, Spotify, Instagram, Netflix, Reddit are the companies which uses Python